The date is Wednesday, May 17th. I'm Lewis Morals, and this is a Market Bull Update. Revenue at Target was down about 1% last quarter, which, though not a bullseye, is better than expected, causing the stock to rally like a group of newly emboldened white supremacists. While the company has seen a drop in customer visits and smaller checkout sizes, they believe that buyers could be enticed with new products created by celebrities like Victoria Beckham, which is surprising given the anti-alien sentiment currently pervasive throughout the US. The CEO of Volkswagen is under investigation for neglecting to warn shareholders about risks associated with the emissions scandal, making this an omission scandal and leaving us to wonder about future AI and U-mission scandals. Executives firmly deny that they knew about emissions cheating prior to disclosing it, which would constitute market manipulation, meaning there's a chance they're covering up that they covered up a cover-up, so hopefully third time's a charm. BP shareholders approved a decrease in compensation for CEO Bob Dudley, reducing his pay package to $11.6 million, leading some to question if he's even rich enough for us to be talking about anymore. The cut came in response to strong pressure from investors, and history has taught us that BP is likely to collapse under enough pressure. A man has been arrested in California for stealing almost $1 million worth of bees, though I'd only ever spend that much on double Ds. The fact that beekeepers dress like Muslims could mean this counts as terrorism. Farmers will pay good money for bees as a means to get their crops to reproduce, making them the ecological equivalent of buying jewelry for your wife. Hopefully the bees can also be trained to pick crops to help deal with the pending farm worker shortage once we get rid of all the Mexicans. US household debt has reached a record high, topping the previous peak right before the 2008 financial crisis, which must mean the economy's doing great again. The breakdown of types of debt has changed, with a lower percentage coming from the figurative and literal house of cards that was mortgage and credit card debt, and shifting more towards student and auto loans, presumably so people will have a place to live once they realize their education is worthless. Bankruptcies are at their lowest level since the Fed started tracking data 18 years ago, though to be clear, this only includes financial and not moral bankruptcy. This has been a Market Bull Update. I'm your host, Lewis Morals, reminding you that if it is broke, it has no way to pay to have itself fixed.